The pen is mightier than the sword, but the tongue is mightier than them both put together. Pay no attention to the man who criticizes unless he is doing something better than what he criticizes. If you have no confidence in self, you are twice defeated in the race of life. With confidence, you have won even before you have started. It annoys me to be defeated. Hence to me, to be once defeated is to find cause for an everlasting struggle to reach the top. Look for me in the whirlwind or the storm. Look for me all around you. With God's grace, I shall come and bring with me countless millions of black slaves who have died in America and the West Indies and millions in Africa to aid you in the fight for liberty, freedom and life. Africans are raising the cry of Africa for the Africans, those at home and those abroad. One God, one aim, one destiny. No one knows when the hour of Africa's redemption cometh. It is in the wind. It is coming. One day, like a storm, it will be here. Every student of political science, every student of political economy, every student of economics knows that the race can only be saved through a solid industrial foundation. That the race can only be saved through political independence. Take away industry from a race, take away political freedom from a race, and you have a slave race.